Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Okay, so Bitcoin, it didn't give us Moonvember like we expected. So the move up to 100k feels a little bit more difficult than expected. The previous bull runs wasn't this complex, right? And I think this move up to 100k, this last final wave 5, will have to happen at the cost of a lot of people's wallets. The complexity in this structure that we're seeing here right now, why is BTC not mooning anymore, is a reflection of the Bitcoin market becoming more mature. There are a lot more players in crypto now, large players that can affect the markets, and with that it comes more randomness and definitely more scenarios that can play out. So I'll stay long. I think the market cycle for Bitcoin isn't done, but if you are leveraged, then know that 48k Bitcoin is totally possible, right? Around these levels. And if your margin doesn't allow this move, cannot accommodate this move down, then I think you better readjust your margin, right? Yeah, so really looking to see 100k Bitcoin in December. If it doesn't happen, then perhaps 2022.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.